In this section we'll be covering secrets, and secrets is exactly same as config map. The only difference is it can be used to store sensitive data such as passwords, token or a key. Now let's create a secret. You can see command is exactly same as the config map. The only difference is you need to specify the type of secret. So I'm just going with the generic secret here. You can read more about secrets later. So I'll just create a secret, and let me see, strong password. I'll be storing my database password in the secrets. So terminal, and let me do store the password. So secret is created. So now let's see get secrets. You can see there is one secret which is present. So let me try to get the data out of it. Okay, -o yaml. You can see the database password is there, but it is encoded in base64 format. But if you want real benefits of secret, then you want to use the HSM module or some other module that can provide you the additional security. So this is one example. Kubernetes IO/TLS can be used for storing the TLS certificates, the TLS keys. So accessing it inside the container is exactly same as a config map. The only difference is instead of config map key reference, you need to change it to secret key reference. So I won't be showing you how you can access. Okay, let me show you how you can access it inside a container. So vi ubuntu yaml, and we already have the name. Okay, let me add name, and name will be what? Database password. Let me paste it here. Let me align this properly. So it will be able to pull the secret from the secret container or the secret resource. So kubectl apply -f ubuntu yaml. Okay, there is some issue. There's a tab code. Okay, indentation. Okay, set number 27 is having issue. Now let's start it. Okay, so it is deployed. Clear kubectl -f and ubuntu.yaml. It is deployed, and now let's exec into the pod. Get pods, and kubectl exec ti, and ubuntu container name, paste, and bash. Clear. Now let's check env, and you can see database password, my strong password. It is injected as environment variable from the secret. So echo dollar database password. You can see my strong password. This gets echoed. Yeah, so that's it with the secrets, and similar to config map, you can, but the only thing is you can't edit the secret. This command is not there. You can't edit a secret. If you want to edit the secret, then you need to delete it and create a new secret from it. Next thing is you can create a secret from a file. Generally these are used to load the TLS certificate or the TLS keys, and yeah, Now let's see how to delete a secret. So kubectl get secrets, my secret. Kubectl delete the secrets. Kubectl delete secret, since it's a resource type is secrets and resource name is my secret. So it deleted the secret. That's it with the secrets. And yeah, this is helpful whenever you want to provide the credentials to database or user credential to the container. Then we use secrets.